Hi, my name is Norman. In trading, it's not luck that matters, but the system. I have found a strategy that consistently brings profit. These indicators, fractal chaos bands and stochastic, have been tested by time and by me. I will show you how to set them up, how to read signals, and how to trade correctly so you don't make mistakes. Everything will be detailed and step by step, no fluff. Let's figure out how it works. My name is Norman, and I would appreciate it if you subscribed. First, let's set up the tools for work. I set classic candles, time frame, 15 seconds. If you need a promo code for a deposit bonus, it is in the description. Go to the Indicators tab and select Fractal Chaos Bands and Stochastic Oscillator. Let's set up Fractal Chaos Bands. Set the period to 3. Go to Style. Set the background color to gray. Save. Let's set up the Stochastic Oscillator. Set the K-period to 5. Set the smoothing type to EMA. Go to Style. Set the K-period to turquoise, width 2. Disable the D-period. Set the 80 and 20 lines to gray, width 2. Opacity to the right. Save. The indicators are ready to go. Friend, if you still have questions after watching the video, be sure to write to me in private messages on Telegram, and I will be happy to help you. I open a session with the first situation. Expiration, 1 minute. I open a trade to buy for $2,000. Now, I will tell you how to trade using this strategy. Look, the first signal comes from fractal chaos bands. When the candles cross the lower red border of this channel, it indicates a possible change in the trend from downward to upward. This is an important signal because when the price goes beyond the channel, it often indicates a reversal or the beginning of a new trend. The second signal comes from the stochastic oscillator. When the turquoise line crosses the gray lower line from bottom to top, it confirms that the market is starting to recover and the trend has changed to upward. This indicator helps us assess oversold or overbought levels, and when the line crosses a certain level, it signals the start of an upward movement. A great opening. I'm recording a profit of $1,840. Let's move on to the next situation. Want to receive daily analytics and improve your trading skills? Join my free Telegram channel, where we share strategies and support each other. If anything in the video is unclear, you can always ask a question or contact me personally. The link to the channel is in the description. Come and grow with us. In Telegram, you will find up-to-date analysis that will help you make informed decisions. Join while it's free. The next moment is not long in coming. I set the expiration to 1 minute and open a trade to sell for $2,000. The price rises to the resistance level, the movement slows down, and the candles become shorter. A strong signal for a downward correction appears. When the price approaches the resistance level and the movement begins to lose momentum, this is often the first sign that the trend has exhausted itself and the market is ready to reverse. Shortened candles indicate that buyers are losing momentum and sellers may begin to control the market. I see large red candles, which indicates the strength of the downtrend. Large impulsive red candles show that sellers have gained the upper hand, confirming that the downward correction has already begun and will continue. This signal gives me confidence that the trend will continue downward, and I am highly likely to profit from this downward movement. The ideal result is that I earn $1,840. I continue trading. I continue to work with an excellent situation. With an expiration of 1 minute, I open a trade to sell for $2,000. The market updates the local maximum, but there is not enough strength to continue. A reversal pattern is forming, confirming the decline. When the market updates the local maximum but cannot continue to grow, this often signals that the uptrend is losing its strength. Candlesticks and prices begin to show signs of slowing down, indicating the end of the upward momentum. The formation of a reversal pattern is an important signal that the trend may change direction. Such patterns indicate that buyers have run out of steam and sellers are beginning to take control, which opens up the possibility of a downward movement. When a reversal pattern is confirmed, it is a good signal to enter a short position and offers a high chance of profiting from the decline. Another $1,840. The balance is growing steadily, and the session is going as smoothly as possible. I end the session with one last opportunity. I set the timer for 1 minute and open a buy trade for $2,000. After a series of downward candles, the price finds support and reverses upward, forming a confident directional movement. This is an important signal that indicates that the downward trend has run out of steam and buyers are beginning to regain control. When the price finds support, it often becomes a turning point, and the market is ready to continue moving in the opposite direction. The formation of a confident upward movement confirms that the trend has begun to change, and the strength of buyers is beginning to prevail. I expect the trend to continue, as the current dynamics on the chart indicate confident growth, and it is highly likely that the market will continue to move upward. This opens up excellent opportunities to profit from the upward trend. The final entry brings in another $1,840 in profit. The balance confidently reaches $15,130. The result of the session is impressive. The balance rose from $7,770 to $15,130. Confident trading, clear entries, and clear dynamics on the chart. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I will be happy to help. Thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. See you soon, and happy trading.